Welcome to the best picks. The best tattoo machines is probably one of the most important decisions you will make as a beginner, impacting everything from your initial learning curve to the quality of your work for years to come. Choosing the right machine can mean the difference between frustration and a smooth, enjoyable start to your tattooing journey, so selecting a machine that's reliable, easy to use, and well-suited to your learning style is crucial. This video will guide you through the top choices, helping you find the perfect fit to kickstart your artistic endeavors. Number 5. Dragonhawk Pro Tattoo Pen Kit. It's lightweight and easy to handle, perfect for beginners. Start creating your own stunning tattoos today. It features a 3.5mm stroke length, ideal for both lining and shading. This ensures precision and control for all your tattooing needs. Everything you need to get started is included. This kit contains a pen, power supply, foot pedal, and 20 assorted needles. All components undergo rigorous testing and sterilization. Your safety and the quality of your work are our top priorities. It's designed for continuous operation with low noise and long-lasting stability. Experience the difference of a professional-grade tattoo pen. We're here to help every step of the way. Our global customer service team is ready to assist with any questions or concerns you may have. What we like. It's lightweight and easy to handle, perfect for beginners practicing lining and shading. This kit includes everything you need to get started, saving you the hassle of buying supplies separately. If you're a beginner looking for an all-in-one solution, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The consistency in line work, the control during shading, and the way it handles long sessions without overheating or bogging down is unmatched. It's opened the doors for me to push my creativity further than I thought possible. This pen rotary tattoo machine offers a fantastic combination of power, precision, and convenience, making it an excellent choice for both professional artists and beginners. Number 4. WTK070 Tattoo Kit. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to get started, including a tattoo pen, power supply, and various accessories. It's perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike. The included tattoo pen is smooth, quiet, and versatile. It's suitable for both tattooing and permanent makeup, offering precise control and a comfortable experience. This power supply boasts advanced technology and safety features. It offers dual control and automatic protection to ensure safe and reliable operation. We've included a detailed instruction manual to guide you through setup and use. Don't hesitate to contact us if you need any assistance. We stand behind the quality of our kit. If there are any issues, we'll gladly replace it for you with no returns necessary. Let's take a closer look at all the components included in this amazing tattoo kit. You'll find everything you need to create stunning artwork. Follow the simple instructions to set up your new tattoo kit. It's easy to assemble and ready to use in minutes. What we like. This kit boasts a near-silent operation, making your tattooing experience more comfortable. It comes with a power supply featuring automatic safety cutoff, ensuring a safe tattooing process. If you value a quiet and safe tattooing environment, this is the kit for you. What people say. Comes with one transfer sheet, one skin, ink, needle cartridges, power supply, pedal, tat pen and cable for the tat pen. The tat pen is excellent, low in noise. Easy setup, easy cleaning, easy maintenance. It comes with all the essential tools needed to start tattooing, including the tattoo machine, needles, inks, gloves, and even practice skin. The quality of the equipment seems solid, especially for a beginner kit, and everything is neatly organized. Number 3. Wormhole Tattoo Kit WTK070. Everything you need to get started is included in this comprehensive kit. It's perfect for beginners and those just starting their tattoo journey. It works with all standard needles, giving you the flexibility to create any tattoo design. Simply switch the cartridge needles and adjust the voltage as needed. Made from high-quality aluminum alloy, it boasts a powerful motor and advanced gear system for smooth, quiet operation. It won't overheat, even during extended use. This kit comes with an online guide, video tutorials, and numerous tattoo designs to help you get started. We're here to support you every step of the way. We stand behind our product. The tattoo gun and power supply have a 12-month warranty, and other components have a 6-month warranty. We offer free repair or replacement if needed. What we like. Made with premium materials, it offers a smooth and precise tattooing experience. The comprehensive kit includes everything you need, plus a professional online guide to get you started. If you want a high-quality, all-inclusive kit with expert support, this is the one for you. What people say. Complete beginner-friendly kit. This kit includes everything a beginner needs to get started with tattooing. The comprehensive set has all the essential tools and supplies, making it easy for my wife to dive into her new hobby without having to buy additional items separately. User-friendly design. The Rotary tattoo machine is designed with beginners in mind. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and operates smoothly, which is perfect for someone just starting out. My wife found it intuitive to use and felt comfortable with it right away. High-quality equipment. The quality of the equipment is impressive, especially for a beginner kit. The tattoo pen and cartridges are well made, ensuring a steady and reliable performance. The machine runs quietly and efficiently, which helps build confidence while practicing. Number 2. Wormhole Tattoo Kit WTK070. This comprehensive kit has everything you need to get started, including a tattoo pen, power supply, foot pedal, inks, needles, and more. It's perfect for beginners and experienced artists alike. The included pen is smooth, quiet, and versatile. It's suitable for both tattooing and permanent makeup, offering precise control and a comfortable experience. 10 high-quality cartridge needles are provided, offering a variety of sizes to suit different tattoo styles and preferences. They ensure a safe and efficient tattooing process. We've made it easy to get started. An online guide is available to help you set up and use the kit. Plus, our customer support team is ready to assist with any questions. We stand behind our product. If there are any issues with your kit, contact us for a replacement. Your satisfaction is our priority. What we like. This kit features high-quality cartridge needles for a superior tattoo experience. It's a complete kit that's easy to set up and use, even for beginners. If you prioritize needle quality and ease of use, this is the ideal choice. Number 1. Wormhole Rotary Tattoo Kit. This comprehensive kit is perfect for both beginners and experienced artists. It has everything you need to start creating stunning tattoos. It features a low-noise, long-lasting motor and is compatible with all standard needles. Its lightweight design ensures comfortable use. The pen boasts a durable space aluminum alloy body and a double ball bearing motor for smooth operation and reduced vibration. Precision engineering ensures a comfortable and controlled tattooing experience. These cartridges provide excellent ink flow and smooth operation, making it easy to create beautiful, precise lines and shading. They're designed for optimal ink absorption and consistent performance. This advanced power supply features automatic safety protection and allows you to connect 2 devices simultaneously for seamless switching between tattoo pens. It simplifies your workflow and enhances safety. Remember, this kit is intended for practice purposes only. Always prioritize safety and only use it on artificial skin unless you are a qualified professional. What we like. This versatile kit is suitable for both beginners and experienced artists. The durable materials ensure long-lasting performance. The dual power supply allows for efficient switching between devices. If you need a durable and versatile kit with a convenient power supply, this is for you. What people say. The tattoo machine included in this kit is of excellent quality. The rotary machine is lightweight and ergonomically designed, providing a comfortable grip during long tattoo sessions. The machine runs smoothly and quietly, ensuring a consistent and precise tattooing experience. I was impressed with its adjustable needle depth. The kit includes 40 cartridge needles, which are a fantastic addition. These needles are pre-sterilized and individually packaged, ensuring hygiene and convenience. The needles are sharp and deliver clean lines and smooth shading, resulting in professional-looking tattoos. The included tattoo power supply is reliable and easy to use. It provides consistent power output and allows for precise voltage adjustments, ensuring optimal performance of the tattoo machine. The digital display on the power supply is clear and easy to read. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.